Team, how are you? So welcome to HSK Languages. So again, today I come back with my Chinese reader, elementary Chinese lesson 2, because lesson 1 we already have delivered. So obviously this video will help you out if you really want to speak Chinese. Okay. For example, Tonglama, Tongla, 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 Tonglama. Tonglama is, for example, as a you understand. Tonglama, did you understand? Do you understand? Tonglama, Tonglama, and Tongla, Tongla. So we'll do a lot of things in this. Okay, so let me share my screen, and today I will explain to you again a lot of things related to Chinese language, and definitely these lessons which I have created for you, it will really help you a lot. Okay, so this is my lesson two. Lesson two. Okay, now conversation. Now, for example, I will say ni hao. What is ni hao? We already have done in the first lesson ni hao. Ni hao is hi and hello. Is it clear to you? If I will say ni man, repeat after me. Ni man, repeat after me. Ni man hao. Repeat after me. Ni man hao. Literally meaning of ni man hao, because ni, let me tell you, ni is my singular you and man is my plural suffix man. Man is my plural suffix. Is it clear to you? If I will say ni man how, repeat after me. Ni man how, it means I'm asking for you all. Now, for example, if I say ni hao, hi and hello, ni man hao, repeat after me. Ni man hao, mang ma. Basically Nieman is my plural, you all. Okay, now for example I will say mang ma, mang. See, we have a tone mang is my upper tone, mang ma is basically my question particle, ma. Repeat after me. Ni man, ni. Basically ni is you. Ni is you. Is it clear to you? Okay, if I will say mang ma, repeat after me. Mang ma is my question particle over here. Mang is busy. If I say busy kya, say in English, are you busy? Mang ma, basically mang is busy. In Chinese, we don't have typically grammar rules. You are busy, we have to apply ismr. No, I will say, obviously, we have to apply ismr, which is shared. But later on, I will mang ma, are you busy? Ma is my question particle. Mang ma, are you busy? Then you will say wo. Repeat after me. Wo. Literally meaning of wo is I. You will say I am very busy. What to say in Chinese? Very. Hun. In Chinese, there is no typically grammar rules. Wo, hun. Repeat after me. Wo, hun, mang. Wo, hun, mang. Repeat after me. Wo, hun, mang. Wo is I. Wo is I. Hun is very. Hun, wo, hun, mang. It means I am very busy. Hun is very. Hun is very and Mang is busy. Use if I ask you, Mang Ma. If I ask to you, Mang Ma, I say, Wo Hun Mang. Repeat after me. Wo Hun Mang. Wo Hun Mang. Repeat after me because Hun is very. I will say Ni Mang Ma. Ni. Repeat after me. Ni. Ni is you. Ni mang ma. Ma. I'm asking to you, are you busy? Now, for example, if I mang ma, busy. Mang, I'm very busy. Ni mang ma. Ni is you. Mang is busy. Literally, mang is busy. Ni mang ma. Is it clear to you? Ni mang ma. I will say wo han mang. I'm very busy. If I say I'm not busy, wo pu mang pu. Pu is not. Pu is not. I will say wo pu mang. Repeat after me. Wo. Pu. We have a down sound. Pu mang. Wo pu mang. Is it clear to you? Clear? So basically, team, we have knee. Knee is you. If I will say Neeman, see my tone is knee. The tone is going down, then up. Neeman, which is you plural. Okay, mang, mang, mang. See, tone is going up. Mang, mang, mang is busy. Is it clear to you? Hun. Let's recap those vocabulary. Hun, hun, hun is very. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Repeat after me. Tong, tong, tong is to understand. Tong lama. If you understand, do you understand? Did you understand? Do you understand? Tong. Tong lama. I said tong. 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 Repeat after me. Tong. Tong. Tong is to understand. Tong. Is it clear to you? Repeat after me. We are working for the vocabularies. Nan. Nan. Nan is difficult. Is it clear to you? Nan. Nan is difficult. So these vocabulary will help you. If I say Hanui Nan Ma, repeat after me. Hanui, Hanui is Chinese. What to say Chinese? Hanui Nan Ma. Chinese is difficult. I will say Hanui Pu Nan. Hanui Pu Nan. Pu is not Hanui, not difficult. Hanui Han Nan. Hanui Han is very, Nan is difficult. Hanui Han Nan. Hanui very tough. I will say Hanui Chinese. Nan Ma difficult. Is Chinese difficult? Hanui Punan. Hanui not difficult. Hanui Nan. Hanui very difficult. If I will say Hanui Punan. If you say no, 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 no. Pu 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 pu. Hanui Punan. Okay. Hanui Hanan. Is it clear to you? So that how we're working for a lesson 2 chapter. Okay. So team, obviously, if you really want to speak very good Chinese, these lessons, I say, Hanui, Hanui Nan Ma. I'm asking to you, Hanui Nan Ma, Hanui Punan. For me, Hanui Punan. But maybe for a learner, Hanui Hanan. Hanui is very difficult. Okay. But for me, I'm saying Hanui Punan. Hanui is not, Chinese not difficult, but maybe someone say Hanui Hanan. Hanui is very difficult. I'll say Mang Ma, Ni Mang Ma, Ni Mang Ma, Ni Mang Ma, Ni Mang Ma. It means, are you busy? I will say, Han Mang, I'm very busy. Wapu Mang, I'm not busy. Is it clear to you? So that how we're working for a pattern. So these are lesson 1 and 2. Obviously, I'm preparing the 24 lessons for you. So definitely these sessions will help you out. Okay. So by the time, take care, sightseeing.